There we go. With my phone, not as... Well, at least with my phone, I think I can see his whiskers. So seal whiskers are used to find fish. Basically with the movement, they detect the fish with their whiskers. Oh, hello little seal. So, yeah, oh, and you, oh. Did you just yawn? Oh my god. I managed to get a seal yawn. Isn't that gorgeous? Very gorgeous. Alright. Oh. And they have big eyes to see underwater. That's why a lot of times at aquariums you'll see seals swim upside down, because the sun is hard on their eyes. But this one is just facing the sun. I don't know how you're doing this. Alright. So, have a good day, seal.